Today, I am going to walk you through 10 budget-friendly ways to net top dollar for your home without breaking the bank. I'm Jodi Bakst with Real Estate Experts and a Zillow Showcase Listing Agent. I'm going to share with you real numbers directly from Zillow that show what buyers are looking for when they're searching for homes online. Number one, window boxes. Installing a window box is a great way to add color and curb appeal to your house. Homes with window boxes get 48% more saves and 52% more shares per day on Zillow. Number two, open shelving. Open shelving adds a modern element to your kitchen and your living spaces. Number three, painting your brick. Painting your brick a modern color can absolutely add curb appeal. Zillow has found that homes with painted brick get 31% more saves and 39% more shares per day. Number four, add vintage touches. Adding charm and architectural interest with things like vintage lighting. These touches are increasing saves by 28% and shares by 31% per day on Zillow. Number five, install outdoor TVs. As more people are enjoying their outdoor living spaces, outdoor TVs are becoming increasingly popular. Homes with outdoor TVs are getting 28% more saves and 26% more shares per day on Zillow. Number six, picket fences. These remain an amazing symbol of the American dream. Homes with white picket fences get 27% more saves and 31% more shares per day on Zillow. Number seven, add a pergola. Pergolas, either attached or freestanding, are a low-cost way to beat the heat and add charm to your backyard. And they're contributing to 20% more saves and 24% more shares per day on Zillow. Number eight, Firepits. This is another low-cost improvement that yields great results. Firepits yield 19% more saves and 23% more shares per day on Zillow. Number nine, outdoor sound systems. Outdoor sound systems don't have to break the bank, and these are getting 18% more saves and 19% more shares per day on Zillow. Number 10, smart lighting. Buyers really like the new app-controlled lighting options that are available today. Smart lighting in homes yields 18% more saves and 23% more shares per day on Zillow. I know I'm throwing a lot of numbers at you, but there is one more thing that can make a difference in selling your home faster and for more money. Zillow Showcase listings are more likely to go under contract in the first 14 days and sell for 2% more. The only way to have a showcase listing is to work with a showcase listing agent. I am a showcase listing agent. If you want to learn more about this and get an expert valuation of your home, contact me at jodi@realestateexperts.net. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.